everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our World Tour series, we will traverse the land of rivers and golden fibers, Bangladesh. So be with us till the end to experience a very refreshing illustration and know the stories behind the land of rivers and golden fibers, Bangladesh. My dear friends, we were planning to depict Bangladesh from a very long time because our World Tour series, I believe, is incomplete without Bangladesh. The child that was once had the same mother may have a different identity today, but can the pulse be removed? So many connections we had with Bangladesh. If we don't talk about the country where we grew up hearing the story about, our journey will remain incomplete. So here it is. Here we can see that few women pounding rice in a wooden rice pounding machine called dheki. A village scene very common in Bangladesh. At present, rice powder is easily made by machines anywhere you can get it. But at one point of time, the only hope for making this rice powder was this machine called dheki. And not just the powder, the women of the house relied on the dheki to break or peel any kind of food grain. Even today, the use of dheki can be seen in a few houses in rural Bengal and Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. It is 8th most populous country in the world. Dhaka, the capital and largest city, is the nation's economic, political and cultural hub. Bangladesh is called the land of rivers or the gift rivers. Major because of they are having so many rivers within. Major rivers are Podda, Meghna, Jamuna, Brahmaputra and Karnapuli. It has been an inseparable part of people as they bring happiness and sorrows when it makes floods. Most of the time, it makes farmers happy, making the soil fertile. The culture of Bangladesh is intertwined with the culture of Bengal region. Bengali writers, saints, authors, scientists, researchers, thinkers, music composers, painters, filmmakers have played a significant role in the development of Bengali culture there. It is manifested in various forms, including music, dance, drama, art and craft, folklore, folktale, languages, literature, philosophy, festival celebrations and many more, as well as in a distinct cuisine culinary tradition. Now let's talk about some Bangladesh villages. Houses in villages there are commonly rectangular and are dried mud, bamboo or red brick structures with thatched roofs, kind of this. Many are built on top of earthen or wooden platforms to keep them above the flood line. People sleep on a thin bamboo mats usually. Houses have verandas in front and much of daily life takes place under their eaves rather than indoors. A separate smaller mud or bamboo structure serves as a kitchen called Rannaghar. But during the dry season, many women construct huts and cook in the household courtyard. With the world's largest beach and largest mangrove swamp, Bangladesh has plenty to brag about. For world's largest mangrove forest, great fish lovers' food, world's longest beach at Cox's Bazar, it's home to a lost city, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the mosque city of Bagirhat, and many more. Friends, enrich us with your thoughts, feedbacks or any suggestions about our drawing sessions, and you can write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing sessions and you want to know about different art forms and the stories behind that, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. We wish you a lovely week ahead with full of positive vibes. Stay safe at home, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye.